Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful blanket. There's lots of texture and cute detail, and it is really easy and just worked with 2 repeating rows. And so to get started, we're going to need a size H 5mm crochet hook. For the blanket, I used Yarn Bee, Sugar Wheel Cotton, and City Beat. The blanket that I made measures approximately 45 by 45 inches and takes 7 skeins of this because this is a size 3 yarn and I'm using 2 strands held together for the blanket. You can use a size 4 medium weight or a bulky weight yarn. Just be sure to check the gauge and how much yarn is needed for the blanket. I will have that information in my blog post that I will link in the description to this video. So we're working in multiples of 6, and to begin I'm just going to chain 18. I'm just going to be making a swatch here for the blanket and show you the basics of the pattern. For the actual blanket, I chained 144 and then began the rows. So for this example, we're going to 6, 7, chain 18. And then go ahead and double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook, and we're going to double crochet into each chain down the row. When we got to the end, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work, and now we're going to double crochet into the back loops only in the next 4 stitches. This creates a pretty texture, and we're going to chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, and double crochet in the back loop only in the next 4 stitches. Chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, and double crochet in the back loop only in the next 4 stitches. Now we're going to chain 2, turn your work, and in this row we're going to double crochet into the front loop only in the next 4 stitches. And then we're going to do 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space from our previous row, double crochet into the front loop only in the next 4 stitches. And double crochet 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, and double crochet into the front loop only in the next 4 stitches. Now you can see that we have our pattern forming and we have really nice texture, and it just creates a very cute design. You're going to alternate rows 2 and 3, and you're going to do that until your blanket measures approximately 45 inches. That will be 67 rows total. Okay, but you can make the blanket any size, just following this pattern and doing multiples of 6. And again, I will have the written pattern in the description, so you can go to that and look at the written pattern on my blog. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.